Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you from the new time slot of 4 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as like 80% of you are not subscribed. Anyway, I got my mandatory YouTube things out of the way. Let's get into the recipe today. It is buffalo chicken nachos. As you can see, I have about a pound of chicken breast that I've already cooked, so it's closer to about 3/4 of a pound once it's cooked. And to that, I added a half a cup of buffalo sauce and about a half a cup of ranch. Then I'm just going to stir this around, give this a little time to come together. And we should be on to the next step. This is a great recipe if you have leftover chicken. And game's coming on. You want to throw something together real quick. Like I said, this can be done in literally 10 minutes, and that's pretty much the entire thing. So, all right, let's move on to the next step. Okay, we have a deep fryer with oil set at 350 degrees. And as you can see here, I've quartered up some corn tortillas. These are, well, Mission Street Taco corn tortillas, but any corn tortilla will do. Again, the smaller, kind of the better if you want to replicate it. Or if you want to skip this step or you don't want to do this step, then just buy a bag of tortilla chips. But if you want to make them yourself, this is the way to do it. You probably can do this in the air fryer, but again, I think this takes on a much better consistency if you do it in the oil. So yeah, 350, couple of minutes, and we should be go. And then don't forget to salt and pepper them in the bowl after they've drained a little bit. All right, next step. All right, our tortilla chips are done, and remember that buffalo chicken mix we made? Now we're going to add that to our nachos and just spread it all around. It'll take most of it. If you want to go light around the chicken, you might be able to get 2 batches out of this, but who the hell cares? Just double up the recipe. All right, and I might not have mentioned it, but your oven should be preheating to 400 degrees at this point. And now we just want to take a combination of Monterey Jack and cheddar cheeses and give this a good sprinkling. Then after that, you want to pop this into the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. And after 5 to 7 minutes, we are looking at something like this. So, that's buffalo chicken nachos. Oh, and one last thing before we go. Sprinkle on some chopped up green onions. This is optional, but I think it adds a nice little contrast. So that's buffalo chicken nachos. Done.